Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a detailed look at Ireland, a country that consistently ranks among the most peaceful in the world, and often appears on lists of secure, high-quality destinations for those considering life abroad. This video covers Ireland's security, tax environment including the non-domiciled remittance basis system, the job market, cost of living, quality of life, and how citizenship by naturalization actually works in practice. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not legal, financial, immigration, or tax advice. Laws change, and every person's situation is unique. Always confirm details with qualified professionals and official Irish government sources. We've linked those below in the description. Ireland at a glance. Ireland has been a member of the OECD since 1961 and participates in the Common Reporting Standard for Automatic Exchange of Financial Data since 2017. The country maintains military neutrality, is not part of NATO, and operates a democratic system with strong institutions. English is the main working language. Ireland's economy is advanced and globally connected, with major activity in technology, pharmaceuticals, and financial services, particularly around Dublin, Cork, Limerick, and Galway. Security and stability. According to the Global Peace Index 2025, Ireland ranks second in the world, just behind Iceland. This is due to low levels of militarization, stable democratic governance, and minimal internal or external conflicts. While no place is risk-free, day-to-day life in most Irish towns and cities is widely described as safe, calm, and community-oriented. Taxation and non-dom regime. Ireland operates a progressive income tax system, roughly 20% on lower income bands, up to about €44,000 for a single person in recent years, and 40% on higher earnings, plus USC Universal Social Charge and PRSI contributions. Corporate tax on trading income remains famously low at 12.5%. However, what draws certain international residents' attention is Ireland's treatment of tax domicile, particularly the non-domiciled or non-dom status. Domicile is different from residency. Residency is about where you live, or how many days you spend in Ireland, typically 183 days in a single year, or 280 days over 2 years, with at least 30 days in each. Domicile, by contrast, refers to where your permanent home is considered to be the place you ultimately intend to live indefinitely. For most people, domicile is the country of birth, meaning domicile of origin. To change domicile, one would need a clear, documented intention to settle permanently in a new country. It's not simply about time spent or property owned. Buying a house in Ireland, signing a long-term lease, or living there for convenience does not automatically make you Irish domiciled. The key factor is intention to remain permanently and indefinitely. That means someone could live in Ireland, even for years, as tax resident, but still non-domiciled, so long as their personal circumstances, ties, and stated intentions indicate their permanent home remains elsewhere. If you're tax resident in Ireland but non-domiciled, the country may only tax you on 1. Irish source income and gains taxed as usual. 2. Foreign income and gains, but only when remitted, meaning when brought into Ireland or used there. Remittance includes activities such as transferring foreign earnings into an Irish bank account, using overseas funds to buy goods, services, or assets in Ireland. If foreign income is kept entirely abroad, it generally remains outside the Irish tax net. There is no fixed time limit for claiming non-dom status. Ireland does not impose a deemed domicile rule. Unlike the UK, you can maintain non-dom status for as long as your domicile truly remains elsewhere, and Revenue accepts that position. That said, determining domicile and interpreting remittances can become complex, particularly around mixed funds and loan structures. Expert advice is essential to ensure compliance. Job market and economy. Work opportunities cluster mainly around Dublin, which hosts major global technology and finance companies, Google, Meta, and many European HQs. Cork leads in pharmaceuticals, Galway in medtech and IT, and Limerick in engineering and manufacturing. Ireland's workforce is English-speaking, relatively young, and internationally engaged. Cost of living. Ireland is known for high living expenses, particularly in housing. For a single person in Dublin, monthly living costs often range around €2,500 to €3,000, with one-bedroom apartments typically above €1,700. In Cork or Galway, expenses can be 10 to 15% lower. Limerick tends to be more affordable still. Groceries, dining, and transport are slightly above EU averages, although healthcare and education standards are high. Quality of life. Ireland offers a balance between modern infrastructure and unspoiled nature. Rugged coastlines, vibrant music scenes, and a culture famous for warmth and hospitality. And the 2025 CO World Healthcare Index ranked Ireland 6th globally. Path to citizenship. As of 2026, Ireland does not operate a golden visa or direct investment citizenship program. The main path for non-EU nationals seeking citizenship is naturalization. In most cases, one must show 5 years, 1,825 days of reckonable residence in the last 9 years, including one continuous year immediately before the application, with only limited absences, plus evidence of good character and the intention to reside in Ireland. To verify residence and identity, the Irish Naturalization and Immigration Service (INIS) uses a clear points-based verification system. You need 150 points to prove identity, and 150 per year to prove residence. Documents are categorized: Type A 100 points, Type B 50 points, etc. Accepted items include utility bills, tax certificates, lease agreements, and official letters. Conclusion. Ireland combines English-speaking convenience, safety, a globally connected economy, and one of Europe's most respected legal and financial systems. But it also comes with higher costs. Remember to always seek professional guidance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.